Hello friends, my name is Ramatsu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the prioritization matrix. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, project prioritization is critical to project success. One key tool project managers and teams use to objectively figure out what projects are worth their time is the prioritization matrix. Project manager responsibilities take many forms: facilitating change management, communicating updates, process mapping, managing stakeholders, project integration management, and so on. And then there is a prioritization task and projects, a crucial management skill since organizations' priorities often change in response to changing customer expectations, market shifts, and other factors. Plus, project resources, regardless of the project size or type, are almost always scarce. Thankfully, there is a tool that individuals and teams alike can use to streamline the process of choosing which projects to focus on, the prioritization matrix. Tools are essential for project success. Project management software for team collaboration and a Gantt or a burn down chart to keep projects on schedule are just few examples. A prioritization matrix is another one, sometimes referred to as a criteria or priority matrix. It's a business analysis tool that, using specific criteria, allows individuals and project teams to objectively compare choices and thus determine which projects are urgent and critical, which bring the most value to the organization, which have the best chances of success. Anyone from one person team to large corporation can use the project prioritization matrix for any task or project. Simple or complicated, when used properly, it's a trustworthy conflict management and resolution technique and provides a more efficient way of selecting the projects that teams must focus on. There are several types of prioritization matrix, which includes 2 by 2 matrix, also known as the Eisenhower Matrix. This simple prioritization matrix template contains two axes and four quadrants. The x-axis, horizontal axis, represents the urgency, while the y-axis, vertical axis, represents the importance. When you place tasks in their respective quadrants, you pretty much already have an idea of what to prioritize actually. Quadrant 1: Important and urgent. These are must do tasks and must do tackled right now. Ideally, you don't want anything in this area. Example include crisis situations, emergencies, and projects with hard deadlines. Quadrant 2: Important but not urgent. These are the tasks without pressing deadlines but are critical to your success. Remember though that if you are not careful, quadrant 2 tasks can easily find their way into quadrant 1. Examples include research, project planning, process development. Quadrant 3: Urgent but not important. These tasks don't contribute to your end results but should still be treated with urgency. If and when possible, reject or delegate them. Examples are helping someone complete a task, certain emails and phone calls, and other forms of interruptions or distractions. Quadrant 4: Not urgent and not important. These are your typical time wasters, such as taking long breaks, browsing social media, or surfing the internet for information not related to the task at hand. Essentially, all forms of procrastination activities. Six Sigma Prioritization Matrix. The Six Sigma approach is all about continuous process improvement, gap analysis, and eliminating the waste. As such, a Six Sigma prioritization matrix is an indispensable tool for identifying critical issues requiring immediate attention. Six Sigma prioritization matrices compare multiple, at least two data sets using weighted criteria. They are more complex than the 2 by 2 grid matrix and follow a more thorough design and application process here. Uh, when should you use a prioritization matrix? A prioritization matrix is used when you want to compare choices with the goal of ranking options based on predefined selection criteria. First one, to prioritize the project. Not all projects are created equal. Project managers and teams contend with a host of constraints to provide agreed upon deliverables upon project completion. In order to not waste precious time and resources, organizations must prioritize projects that bring the most benefit to the organization, have the best chances of implementation success. To better manage time. If you feel that the standard to-do list is no longer cutting it for your productivity, the prioritization matrix is an alternative tool for time management. By using a simple priority diagram, you can determine which tasks are critical and urgent, such as project due today and should be completed right away, which task to avoid or devote less than 5% of your time to such prolonged gaming or mindless internet browsing. To promote consensus, if you are the marketing manager and your department has 7 different projects competing for funding and attention, you need a fact-based logical process to determine which projects to prioritize. Depending on whom you are asking, priorities differ. The branding supervisor may understandably want the organization's branding strategy prioritized, while the product supervisor may want research and development at the top of the department's list of priorities. Even a simple prioritization chart can help with conflict resolution. Done right, it allows team to iron out disagreements and ultimately reach a consensus. Okay, friend. So, then, friend, how to use a prioritization matrix? First one, establish your criteria. Every project starts with an objective. Every product, service, or solution starts with a problem it aims to solve. And every prioritization matrix begins with a set of criteria to rate your solution or items against. Then, friend, rate your implement items or solution. Then calculate the weighted scores, compare the results, and in that way you can finalize the prioritization matrix. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.